First, add new project, then add you want to show at the end of the video. Adjust the duration off clip to 10.2 seconds, then add audio from gallery.
Someone new, thinking I want.
Next, add any overlay. Adjust it to 2.3 seconds. Go back, click the audio match cut, then add beat. Click check, then click again the overlay, and adjust it to 3/3s, then add beat again. Click and hold the overlay, then move it at the end of the clip. Adjust it to 1.8 second, and add beat. That beat is important cause we will use it as a pattern later. Now adjust overlay to 1.0 second duration, then add beat again. You can now delete that overlay and add the overlay that will complement on your chosen clip. Zoom it, then adjust its duration to 10.2 seconds. Now go to the first yellow dot or beat, then add diamond or keyframe. Now go to mask, split, then rotate it like this. Move this circle this way, then move the line on this side. Now add another keyframe on the next beat, then go to mask and move the yellow line at the center. Now, add again keyframe on third beat and keyframe at the fourth beat, then go to mask and move the yellow line here to show the whole hidden photo.
Someone new. I want you.
Now you can add text if you want. Just watch the rest of the video on how I add text. Text animation, fade out and fade in.
Thinking I wanted to. Someone new, thinking new. Turns out I don't want new. I want new, I want you.
We are done. Thank you for watching.
Messing with someone new.